This video is about elephants. Elephants are the largest living land animal. Size and weight. Average African elephants are about 10 feet tall and weigh about 18,000 pounds. Largest elephant recorded in history is 13 feet tall and weigh about 24,000 pounds. Diet. As herbivores, they spend much of their time in eating grass, leaves, fruit, and variety of foliage. They need to eat about 350 pounds of vegetation every day and need 70,000 calories every day. They require about 67 to 98 liters of water daily. Smart animal. Elephants are exceptionally smart creatures. They have largest brain in animals and 3 times as many neurons as humans. They can recognize themselves in a mirror through mark tests. They migrate place to seek food and water resources. Elephant's trunk. Elephants have long trunks. They use it to drink, store, and spray water, and they also blow air through it to communicate. They can lift heavy objects through their trunk. They show love and attraction through their trunk. Movement. Elephants can walk and swim. They like swimming. Elephants are one of the few mammals that can jump. Elephant's tusk, teeth. Elephants' tusks are very variable with diamond pattern. Full tusk size can be 7.7 feet long. Elephants live in groups. Male animals protect babies and their mothers. Lifespan. Wild elephants have long lifespan and typically 60 to 70 years of age. Captive elephants have lower lifespan, are usually dead before the age of 40. Are elephants endangered? Yes, elephants' populations have experienced significant declines over the last century for the illegal ivory trade.